If you want to reset your Nintendo Switch while frozen, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Reset the Nintendo Switch in maintenance mode. Hold the volume up and down buttons on the Nintendo Switch. Press the power button simultaneously to take the Switch in the maintenance mode. When the maintenance mode screen opens, release the volume buttons. Next, select Initialize console without deleting the Save Data option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the factory reset is complete, the Nintendo Switch will boot its default factory settings, but without deleting data. If you cannot access the maintenance mode, then go to the next methods. Method 2. Soft reset a Nintendo Switch. A soft reset does not delete any data from the system. So, before performing a factory reset, you can soft reset your console and see if this can fix the issues. Here are the steps to soft reset your Nintendo Switch. Press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then release the power button and press it again. Now see if the issue is fixed. If not, hard reset the Switch. Method 3. Hard reset a Nintendo Switch. Hard reset restarts the console and clears the temporary data without affecting the game saves or your personal settings. Here is how to do that. Unplug the AC adapter from the Nintendo Switch and the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then release it and press the power button once to turn on the console. If you cannot update the system, check the screen. Method 4. Check the screen. Like your PC monitors or laptops, the Nintendo Switch screen can also get damaged. Due to this, the screen can freeze or you may have multiple other issues. If you have dropped the Switch or there are cracks on the screen, then this issue can arise. In this case, you need to repair it or get it replaced. So, consult an expert to do that. Method 5. Check the port. Sometimes due to a faulty USB-C port, the Nintendo Switch do freeze, especially if you are using the Switch while charging. Sometimes dirt can clog the USB-C port and create issues. Using a flashlight, check if dirt and dust have accumulated in the port. You can use compressed air, cotton buds, or a toothpick to clean the port. But be careful and make sure not to cause any damage, else that will bring up further issues. It is recommended that you should not insert any metal into the port as it can cause fatal damage to it. You can also open the Switch to check if any internal damage is caused. Look for the liquid damage indicator near the port on the motherboard. It will turn red if it is damaged. If you see any sign of damage, take the help of an expert to replace the motherboard. For a faulty port, you can repair it and see if this could fix the problem. And there you have it. The methods to reset your Nintendo Switch while frozen. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.